So hey guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to compare hotel prices and amenities. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on a PC. Now here click on Ask Gemini. Now here let's type compare the best hotels in Delhi based on the amenities and pricing. Now it connected to Google Hotels. And it's telling me the best hotels in Delhi based on the amenities and pricing. So it gave me 5 best hotels. But let's say I want to set a pricing range. So let's say set the price of 5k per day. So I have given this prompt and now the hotels are changed. Here it says pricing, amenities and rating. In a similar way, you can compare any hotel. So this I can use Ask Gemini on Chrome to compare hotel amenities and pricing. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.